Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Muslim, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. In today's market, we are seeing a bit of a retracement in terms of that momentum that we've experienced last week, because remember, the S&P 500 futures actually experienced a massive rally to a point where we experienced an all-time high. But now, again, we're seeing a bit of a retracement, but the trend for higher highs and higher lows is still very much in place. And on the weekly time frame, the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, of course the Nasdaq, they are still very much above their 50, 100 and 200 weeks simple moving averages. So this confirms that bulls are still very much in control of the price. But why the prices are retracing today? If that is the question in your mind, the answer is because once again, investors and traders, they are concerned about the current surge in coronavirus cases over in the United States. And because of that, they're saying, okay, perhaps this is a good time for them to book some profit off their trades. But in addition to this, we still have a number of major events which will be folding this particular week. And the biggest of all of them, the focus is going to be on Brexit, because remember, the UK left the EU last year, but now that we are still trading under the transition period, meaning the UK is still abiding by the rules of the EU. Now that transition period is about to end, and we are in the last month of this particular conversation, and this has brought enormous amount of volatility for two specific derivatives. Firstly, it is your sterling against the dollar or against the euro. Today, it is getting absolutely battered because it seems like, or the speculators are really throwing this view that perhaps we will not get another, well, perhaps we won't get any deal and Brexit will happen without deal. Of course, if that happens, that means a massive drop in the GDP, not to mention what the coronavirus has already done to the UK's economy. So that would be a very dire outlook or outcome of this one. So because of that, we're seeing retracement for the FTSE 100 index as well. Secondly, the ECB is very much on this under the spotlight this week, and again, it is the ECB's monetary policy and the extra support. That is what the investors and traders will be looking at. That's all for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you.